Again, December 25th, 2010. That's okay, guys. That's alright, Tony. Anyway, here we are. That's the Huishan Big Bridge. This little park beside the canal here. You can see there's long train of boats. And this is the Huishan subway, or this Wuxi Metro bridge that's going over the canal. As you can see, they're building it right now. Very cool. I imagine this platform here is going to be taken down as soon as they're finished. They're quite the thing to get done. Whether, of course, it's worth the trouble, that's another question. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Tony. Anyway, a little argument with Tony about going here, but we're here now, and he's happy, he's calm, but oh boy, I had to spank him. He's being really silly. Wouldn't even let me take a pee. Let's go up here for a second. Oh, don't worry, Tony. There's the dumping around here, so there we go. The construction continues. Wicked cool. So like this. Anyway, December 25th, Christmas in Wuxi, China. This is how we're spending it. This is me, I be me, and Tony. Say Merry Christmas, Tony. No. Say bye-bye. No. He's still in the bad mood. Okay. Thanks for watching.